Everyone thinks the best-selling rolling TV stands are automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Pearl Smith Mobile TV Stand. Let's kick things off with the Pearl Smith Rolling TV Stand. Priced at just $39.99, this one caught my eye because it's designed for TVs ranging from 23 to 60 inches. If you want a solid, affordable option to keep your TV mobile and secure, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It supports up to 88 pounds, so you can rest easy knowing your TV is safe on this sturdy stand. The alloy steel construction gives it strength, and the tilt function, up to 15 degrees, means you can adjust it to reduce glare, which is especially handy if you're moving it around the house. Plus, with over 5,000 of these sold in the past month, it's clear that people are finding value here. Now, some people complained about the assembly process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, if you take your time and follow the instructions, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. Just know that if you're not handy, you might need a little extra patience. This is perfect for you if you need an economical yet functional stand for your bedroom or living room. Skip this one if you have a larger TV over 60 inches, since it's not compatible. For the price, it's a solid value. Now, if that assembly hassle bothered you, this next one might take a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Pearl Smith Adjustable Height Stand. Another option from Pearl Smith, the Rolling TV Stand on Wheels. Also at $39.99, this model can hold TVs from 23 to 65 inches, and it really caught my attention with its height-adjustable tray. If you want flexibility in your viewing experience, this is worth checking out. This stand supports up to 99 pounds and has an adjustable height range from 44.9 to 48.8 inches, making it super versatile for different setups. You can easily move it from room to room, which is perfect for both home and commercial use. Plus, the cable management system keeps everything looking neat and tidy, so you won't have to deal with a mess of wires. Given that over 4,000 of these have sold recently, it seems like a hit. However, some users mention that the base could be a bit larger for added stability. Here's why that's not a deal breaker. The locking wheels provide great mobility and security once you find the right spot, so as long as you don't go too wild on heavy TVs, you're good. This is great for those who want a mobile unit that looks good and keeps everything organized. Skip this if you prefer something with a wider base for maximum stability. For the price, it's definitely a good buy. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want maximum compatibility.
Product number 3, Bondtech Mobile TV Stand. Let's check out the Bondtech Mobile TV Stand. At $37.97, this one is designed for 23 to 60-inch TVs and really focuses on enhancing your viewing experience. If you're looking for a reliable stand that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. What's great about this stand is its tilt feature, allowing you to adjust the screen up to 10 degrees. This is super helpful for getting that perfect angle while watching movies or giving presentations. It can hold up to 88 pounds, and the 360-degree locking wheels make it easy to maneuver without worrying about stability. Plus, there's a built-in cable management system to keep your space tidy. With over 2,000 units sold, it's clear that folks appreciate its functionality. Now, I did see some feedback about the assembly being a bit complicated for some users. Here's the thing though, once you figure it out, it tends to hold up well over time. So if you're patient during setup, you'll be rewarded with a solid stand. This is perfect for you if you want something that's mobile and keeps your space looking professional. Skip this if you have a larger TV, since it's not built for bigger sizes. Honestly, for the price, it's a steal. Now, if you're looking for something that can handle bigger screens, the next one is a real contender.
Product number 4, Rfiver Mobile TV Stand. We have the Rfiver Mobile TV Stand. Priced similarly at around $39.99. This stand is compatible with TVs from 23 to 60 inches. If you want a stand that's super portable and easy to set up, this is worth a serious look. This model supports up to 88 pounds and features an adjustable shelf that can hold your media devices. The all-metal construction gives it a sturdy feel, and the tilt function allows for minor adjustments that improve your viewing angle. Plus, it's designed to save space, fitting snugly against walls. With over 2,000 sold recently, it's gaining a good reputation. However, some users mention that the wheels can feel a bit flimsy when moving on carpets. Here's my take. If you're using it on hardwood or tile, it works just fine, so just keep your flooring in mind. This is ideal for anyone who likes to rearrange their setup frequently. Skip this one if you need something that can handle rough handling or heavier TVs. Overall, it offers great value for its price. Now, if you want a more premium option for larger TVs, stick around for the next one.
Product number 5, Pearlar Mobile TV Cart. We have the Pearlar Mobile TV Cart. This one is a bit pricier at $109.98, but it supports TVs from 32 to 82 inches. If you need a heavy-duty option for bigger screens, this is definitely worth considering. This stand holds up to 100 pounds and features an adjustable shelf perfect for your media devices. The adjustable height is a standout feature, ranging from 39.37 to 59.06 inches, which can really help you customize your viewing experience. The large wheels make it easy to move around, and it has a solid base for stability. Given that it's sold over 1,000 times recently, it seems to be quite popular. Some users did mention that it can take a bit longer to assemble due to the detailed instructions. Here's my perspective. If you're willing to invest the time, this solid construction pays off in the long run. This is perfect for you if you have a larger TV and want something that can be moved easily. Skip this if you're on a tight budget, since it is a bit more expensive. For the quality and flexibility, it's a worthwhile investment.
So, to wrap it up, the Pearlsmith options are great for budget-conscious buyers. Bondtech offers a good balance of functionality and style. Rfiver is perfect for those who move their TVs around frequently, and Pearlar is the go-to for larger screens needing extra stability. Each has its perks, depending on your needs and budget.